It is rainfall detector. It is used for household applications, and it is also used in cars for automatic wipers when rainfall. And I have used Arduino Nano, buzzer, and a switch and a rainfall detector. These are my connections. I have used a battery in it so that you can power it on. This is the rainfall detector. As you can see, there are two lines and they are two connected here. One is for positive, one is for negative. And this is aluminum coated plate, and this white one is negative, and when rain falls on it they get short and buzzer rings. Now I'm pouring a water because I can't bring rain right now. This is how it works. Thank you.